Welcome to the class Know Me Study about Mathematics. Mathematics is the study of gaining knowledge and understanding theories and concepts to solve academic and real-life problems. The fundamentals of mathematics begin with arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Archimedes, from the BC century, is known to be the father of mathematics. He introduced formulas to calculate surface area and volume of solids. Branches of mathematics: number system, algebra, geometry, calculus, topology, trigonometry, probability and statistics. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.